everybody, welcome to a vlog. It's midday. I never normally start my vlogs at midday, but I'm going to take you on a journey. I'm actually going to insert the past weekend I went and house sat for my friend, which was fun, and I thought I'd get loads more content, but I was kind of just vibing, being by myself, just taking in the surroundings. Didn't really vlog that much, so I'm going to put that in now. Good morning. Hello. I know what you're thinking. Grace, that's not your bed. What's going on here? I'll tell you what's going on. I am house sitting and kitty sitting Bilbo. I want to try and show you Bilbo. He's an absolute nut job, but a great nut job. Basically, my friend had to go away, so I am house sitting and I'm gonna have myself a nice little staycation, and you can be with me on my little staycation. How did you get up there? Come and say hey. Are you coming to say hello? You're a bit of a silky sausage, aren't you? How does it feel? Banksy's gonna get so jealous that you're getting all the viewers. I'm gonna put the oven on because very sweetly, the people that I'm house sitting for got me pain au chocolat just rolls. I am into it. I've said it once and I'll say it again. If you're vegan, dairy free, then cop yourself some of these because they're really delicious. Also, I'm really obsessed with this little pot. How cute is this? I don't know why I'm really so obsessed with it. I just think it's so cute, and I'm gonna put the kettle on as well. I think someone wants some attention. You want some love? Hey. Hello. Are you okay? Are you happy or not? They have this novelty mugs collection that they've accumulated. All of these mugs are like really cool. I think they got them all from Asda, but there are so many. Like, they know what's happening. They know. I feel like I need to do an in-depth mug review. I don't know what one I should go for this morning. What one should I go for, guys? I think this guy's pretty cute. You're a bit cute, aren't you? I'm gonna go for you. This is his little pom-pom. And he literally scoots around the floor like a maniac. Before we have them, they came out a tiny bit burnt because obviously it's a new oven, so it's a bit hotter than I anticipated. I'm gonna have a shower, get clean, because I look like a mad scientist. I'm clean and I'm in my favourite new hoodie, which has an oil stain. So annoyed about it. So annoyed. But I posted a vlog last night on Extra Grack and I said I got the oil stain, and you guys said if you put a bit of fairy liquid, rub it in and then put it in the wash, apparently you should get it out. And I'm so grateful for you guys because you honestly helped me so much with my just day-to-day life, so thank you. I'm gonna have some brekkie. I am just here editing, and I actually did have a little Bilbo on my lap, but he's decided to leave, and it makes me really sad because I wish Banksy liked being on my lap, but she doesn't. It's really cozy because it's raining outside, and it's so weird like being in a different house because it's been so flipping long. Oh, I'm a bit tired. I'm trying to work out when the best time to go to Hobbycraft is. I have just had lunch and I think I'm ready to venture out into the world. The rain has stopped. I do feel like Hobbycraft is going to be absolutely mental. I feel like it's going to be so busy. But hey ho, I'm ready. Oh, I made a hot water to go with my lunch and I forgot to have it. Parked under a blossom tree, so everything is covered in blossom. Like, it's covered in blossom. That looks like it's the tree, but it's not. Right, we are about to go. I've never been to this Hobbycraft before. I'm a bit nervous about parking. I hate parking, and I hate going somewhere that I've never been before for parking. So I'm a bit dubious. This potentially could be a regret because it looks like there is a lot of traffic, but we're doing it. I've made my mind up, I'm going. The thing is, I want something that serves a purpose, and I feel like this sequin art does not serve a purpose. I'm gonna go to TK Maxx. Okay, I went to TK Maxx, I went to Hobbycraft, and I'll do a haul, obviously, when I'm home. And now I'm here at Asda. I think I'm gonna get something for dinner. I don't know what I'm in the mood for. And I'm like, do I just treat myself and get a Domino's? We never get takeaway pizza at home. But then I'm like, it's so much cheaper to just get a pizza here. And just like that, we are home. Oh, big stretch. Has it been hard without me? I've got you a present, Bilbo. My adventures. I got this for Bilbo because obviously you've seen his pom-pom that he loves so dearly. And I saw this tiny, it's called a tiny toast tosser. And it's like crinkly. Oh, do you like it? And the mesh helps clean teeth. There's like mesh behind it. Bilbo, what's this? Come with me, come on. Come here. Look. Yours, you can have it. Oh, you want it? What are you doing? It's yours. Shall I throw it? Oh, you like the netting, don't you? Oh, crumbs, he's really going for it. That's yours now, buddy. Shall I throw it? Ooh, ready? Yeah. In Asda, I could not work out what I wanted. I think because there were so many people around, I just didn't know what I was getting. I did get a few bits for the people's house that I'm staying in. And look what I found. Look. Little mini, tiny Krispy Kremes. I don't think you can tell how tiny they are. How cool is that? Isn't that so cool? I just thought that would be nice. And I've replaced a few of the bits that I've taken away because I've eaten so much. And I also am really obsessed with cherry tomatoes at the moment, but like the tomatoes on the vine, or plum tomatoes, but they didn't have those ones. He actually loves it. He's just playing with it. Look at him. He loves it. That makes me so happy. Literally not left it alone. Is that your new favourite thing, that tiny little toast? Yeah, I would hope so. And this is what I got myself. Oh, excuse me, no, you've had your present. That's for me, thank you very much. This is actually mine. So we're going, I think you all know that I've been wanting to do one of these latch hook kits, but I haven't been able to find a kit that actually works. I've bought like 2 and neither of them have worked. So this is my last hope. I was gonna buy one of those like sticky gem things, but I thought I'm not gonna use the sticky gem thing. But I thought this is actually quite cute and I wouldn't mind that like chilling in my room on the side. Oh my goodness, what? This is not what I thought it was doing. Guys, this isn't the kit that I thought it would be. This is not what I'm in the mood for. I wanted something that was mindless. And this is very, my mind will be full. I packed that away and I'm saving that for a rainy day. I think I'm gonna try this. Someone recommended this. Straticelli, this thing. I don't know what it is. It's quark with chocolate pieces. I don't really know what quark is, but everyone keeps raving about these, so I'm giving it a go. Want to do a taste test with me? Well, you can't because it's got chocolate pieces in, but I'm gonna try it. This is not delicious. Why do people like this? Why do people like this? It tastes like cheese. Do I like it? I can't work it out. Right, someone else suggested to me that there's apparently this High School Musical dance along thing. Really enjoy outside, so let's see how this is. I don't know if I'm making this up, but I hope I'm not making this up. That's alright, we'll do One Direction. I quite like One Direction. He just pushed the camera. You're a pickle. Hey, I am hungry and it is dinner time. We've gone, I actually really wasn't impressed with the pizza selection in Asda today. I wasn't. I was hoping for more, but it is what it is. They didn't even have a Lorraine. A Lorraine is my favourite. So I've just gone for a margarita. I'm gonna add these little pitted black olives. I was gonna get mushrooms, but then I was like, I can't really be bothered. If you've got a jar of olives, right, and you can't open them, or a jar of anything, I literally cannot open that for love nor money. This works every time. You take your jar and gently just give it on the ridge of the jar a little tap, like that, without fail. It works every time. I've never not been able to open a jar now. I think I'm gonna have a wee little side salad with it. Let's give these tomatoes a taste test and see if they're any good. Let's go. Guys, I don't know what to do. Banksy's not a huggy cat. I'm very happy. feel like I've got a baby on me. Oh, I'm so happy. But my dinner's in the oven and I don't want to wake him. A little tiny bit burnt. I watched In for a Penny, which is always a good time. Honestly, that man. The sky is so gorgeous and pink. Although you'll never be able to tell on camera. I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell? It's so... You love it, don't you? He genuinely won't leave me alone. So, what I'm doing now, I'm going to have like a little self-care moment. He's so confused. He's never seen anyone in here before. You can come in. I mean, you won't like it. He's so confused about me being in the bath. Oh. Oh gosh, I think he's a bit confused. That was a 10 out of 10 bath. That was really good. And Bilbo was exploring. Obviously he'd never seen the bath in action and now he is back. Bilbo, how do you feel about the bath? He's very inquisitive now. This bed, I think it is super king and it is so squishy. Ow! It's so squishy and nice. It's a bit of an upgrade from my little queen. I could probably sleep No, I actually could sleep horizontally on this. Honestly, it feels like a hotel bed and it's making me want to go to a hotel and have breakfast buffet. When do the hotels open up? I feel like we need to go on an adventure to a hotel. Right, cool cats and kittens. I have just put little Bilbo to bed, which means it's time for little Gracie to go to bed. So see you in the morning. Good morning. Hi. How are you? You good? I'm good. I didn't sleep very well last night. But we moved. So that was the weekend. It was very nice. It was very chilled. And now I'm back with my little kitty cat. We'll say hey. She loves it. She'll only go on my duvet if it's half folded. What a diva. I was really craving some crispy potatoes. So what I've done is I've just diced some potatoes up and I've popped them in the air fryer. And I'm gonna have these for lunch because sometimes you just gotta give what your body wants, do you know what I mean? Oh, you know what? I was actually gonna make some leek bacon and potato soup. And we can have that for dinner tonight. That's a really good idea, Grace. You are a genius. Right guys, the soup is gonna bubble away until those leeks go nice and soft. And my potatoes have just finished. Yes, just how I like them, nice and crispy. I actually really like to mix the ketchup and the mayo to essentially make a burger sauce. So I showed in my other video, but this bottle has a stand for your phone, but it's actually the perfect height for your eyes. Like, look, this is where my eyes are. And it's perfect because normally things are like down here when you're watching them, but I'm happy with that. It helps me sit up straight. As it's a bit later now, I'm having this soup and it looks like gruel. Yep. But I actually think it's one of the best soups I've ever made.
True.
Yeah, it's absolutely, I love soup. I think soup is so great.
So would you eat a
I've eaten a gazpacho
in summer?
No, because I like the fact it's warm.
So would you eat that in the summer?
Right, buttercups, we are doing something fun. We are going to go to IKEA because I clocked I haven't been since like last June and I really want to go. I really and truly want to go to IKEA just for a browse. It's a fun day out, okay? And no one can deny me of that. Can you see this? Can you see the blue and yellow? Can you? No, I don't actually think you can. Can you see the blue and yellow cabinet? What is it? It looks like a giant warehouse. We're here at IKEA. Here it is. It's like queuing for a theme park to try and get in. Look at that, what the heck? It's so busy on a Friday morning. For what? Why is it so busy? Guys, I'm not actually feeling that inspired by anything, which is actually groundbreaking. Normally I end up coming away with so much. Although I'm getting to the little trinkets bit and that always sucks me in. Guys, it's time for the travelator. feel like I'm at the airport, even though I'm not going to be at the airport for a long time. I am very happy. It feels like I'm going on holiday. Why am I so tempted to get these little cuties? I'm so annoyed we don't have any space in our freezer because I want this. That was fun. I'm not gonna lie though, nothing was, I didn't even have to restrain. Normally I'd have to restrain and be like, I don't need it. But nothing was really tickling my fancy. The only thing I did restrain from buying was a veggie hot dog, which is in my opinion better than the real one because there was a massive queue. I just wasn't feeling that. So that was a good time though. I had a fun browse, to be honest.